Hey guys, it's here, Chris representing Jamaica here in Westmoreland, Jamaica. So guys, this is part 3 of our sweet day at Sweet River. So we finally convinced our dad to cook for us and make us some daddy dumplings. So here we are currently picking some ackees, or at least trying to. Ow, I fell down. Poor mommy. So guys, my dad was trying to climb the tree, but it didn't quite work out. So my friend Moya, she came to save the day.
Does not look the same. Before? Okay, alright. Mama.
Oh gosh. I told her at once, Joe. Be nice to me, Kleiner.
You're old food.
Oh God.
It's old food. I want to know that. You're old.
All of them done.
You have to climb the tree again one of them days, right?
The camera battery them dead. But we have video for this one. It's a fly out.
I see your shoes them there from there. Make sure if your shoes from somebody. Everybody get some pink shoes.
This river is nice. So guys, here we were gathering some wood to make a wood fire, you know, the real Jamaican way of cooking. I mean, of course we cook indoors, but outdoors is just even more fun, right? So here we're gathering our wood and all, and you know, just talking basically. This particular evening we're actually in a little bit of a rush, you know. We even started to pick the ackee in the car on the way back home and all, you know. We meant business as much as it was such a great bonding experience looking back at it right now. Because my dad was quite busy throughout our trip, but here, you know, we got to definitely bond. But the great thing was that, you know, we had an opportunity to go to Portland the next day, so we were supposed to drive back to Montego Bay this evening. However, it didn't quite work out like that because, you know, after the food we were all so tired and it was already dark, so we left early in the morning. But at first, you know, we were like trying to see if we could still make it to Montego Bay that evening. Yeah. You look on them already? Yeah man, them look ready. Yeah man, we're good to go. I'll set that one for next week. This one this week, one next week. Oh God, this is the life, I swear. If I say I want to go back to Germany, miss that life, yeah, man. Woo! Just start up without your camera, woman.
Oh.
So we get the real camera now.
I love the pot. I'm put that.
You're early up already. Me miss that. No, someone, you have to learn how the filming goes. All of the steps I have to get. So guys, him just oil up the pot.
Yeah.
Why did you put oil on the pot?
Just because I don't want it to black like the coal.
Yes. So we want it to be able to wash off.
Yeah, clean off.
Yeah.
Easier.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of do it down there.
But it's still well smoky. So if it's smoky?
No, I just threw them wet, wettish like.
So that means that the food will go well smoky?
No.
Right, it'll go good on.
Yeah man, you go down. You know the bun out. Dry out the water and breeze out. Never need to one piece of zinc to fan this out.
Okay. It's a big zinc.
If you have a Buddha, that's all thing.
Before we start knead up.
Yeah. Keep it bun. And put a boil out long time.
Me see it, you have empty.
You have to choke. You want to eat it with other thing.
So what is dumpling for the people who don't know?
Journey cake.
What is it made of?
Cornmeal.
Cornmeal and flour.
Yeah.
Boil it and salt and water.
Then no salt and then no water.
Of course.
Flour.
Yes, man. Who that a beep you? You say you think? You just see the license plate, so. But missing now the smoke gone.
Yeah. Until the turn time.
Yeah. You see me forget all of the old man things them. After how much years, me have to ask the question them all over again.
That's what we after you eat up, get ketchup. All smoke. Because you steam, you know, eat. You for me there. Crazy. I'm going to go peel the banana, the manja peel. Just don't. You look pretty. You are going to do it, I'm going to put it again.
Guys, long time I have no daddy dumpling. I'm so looking forward to them.
You've got and it's the caramel one.
Yes, back in the day I used to cook them, give me, we used to love them. And since we come with the pan, cook with some daddy dumpling. Them have them name, guys, daddy dumpling.
Can't eat. Take the pizza out there and push up the fire. The pizza and push up in the make the fire. Keep kicking.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sarah, pick them out. You do add more water?
Yeah, just more water. I'm coming to go and boil. These are not peanut banana.
You probably had better go up a morning, not true? But them a pace them. I don't think we're going up tonight. We eat them, I don't play, we're not cold. Oh gosh.
So no morning, no go. What is it?
Maya pick Ackee again. The Ackee them not enough. Maya star girl. I see. Come on.
You gotta pick out the Ackee.
Yes, them let's pick out the Ackees.
Only thing if we have our work in a mobile, how this a party would go? Or this is when we have passive income?
Yes.
Because the driving a man in time would have mad with because are you used to it, so you wouldn't mad. Man living best life. Me like that film. Javari, can I be you when I grow up? I'm over ask him now. I wish car come in here so come next door. What you think about Daddy Dumpling? Them still taste like back then?
They taste same like back then. Everything is just delicious. You still can cook. Me tell you what. Best dumpling ever. Nobody can.
No take all that pepper and no give me none. It's alright. It's alright. Turn the fan around here so. Turn the fan so. Oh gosh, Javar, come and eat. Try it. It's really nice. What do you think about the Daddy Dumpling?
It's fine. Them fat with them iron.
Them famous in there. If you try it and let me know. Yes, Maya.
May I be extra?
Oh God.
Jamari?
I say, can't go on.
It's good.
Good Daddy Dumpling. You see why we are mad over Daddy Dumpling? Fin try it. Fin cook it for me. Come, Javari. Javari no want to eat. Oh gosh, Maya, this is you. But you have to go through. You think I joke? You want to go to the hospital?
If you don't eat the food, you're going to go back to the hospital and the doctor will grab blood from your hand.
And then no more toys. You want to play with the toys or what?
Sit down. Open. Javari. Open. Eat the food. Open your mouth. Little boy, stop from eating up your head on the chair. Open.
So guys, I'm trying it now. Finally. Anyways guys, you've made it to the end of another video, so please like, comment down below, share, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.